trial starts.
Where are the offices of the legal aid board?
I understand Mr. Mnisi knows that. It's 10. I'm told, my lord, it's 10 minutes away from here. It's
Yeah,
here.
why can't I make an order that Mr. Mujutu should come here? So that's, because this is an exceptional matter in the sense that a lot of time, I'm told, has been dispensed.
We'll appreciate
It is
that.
10 minutes away.
Yeah.
He can come to court and we can tell him that all of you want legal aid assistance.
We'll appreciate that, my lord. I've given the contact number for Mr. Mojuto to the registrar of the court, my lord.
So what should we do? We call Mr. Mujuta to come here whilst you are having a pre-trial conference.
As the court business.
Then that makes sense. Mr. Baloyi, what's your view?
That's in order, my lord.
So what's the time now?
The
How
time
long
now
do you need for a pre-trial conference?
is 10 past 12.
Listen,
We,
Mr. Msholo,
Sorry, my
how
lord.
long do you need for a pre-trial conference of a matter where, as I read the record, about 4 witnesses were led?
My
Are you
lord,
with me?
my lord, we're under the impression that the previous proceedings have been nullified.
Yes, of course.
Now we need to engage the state.
Yeah?
Now we need to engage the state, my lord,
To do what?
on the evidence that is going to be presented by the state.
Mr. Baloyi says he has not amended the charge sheet. Have you amended the charge sheet, sir?
no, my lord, the charges are still
Have
exactly
you
the same.
acquired new witnesses, sir?
No, my lord.
So the list of witnesses which is enunciated
Yes.
in the charge sheet, is that also going to be the list of witnesses who are going to be led?
Indeed, my lord. As I
Nobody
mentioned-
new comes from the planet Mars.
No, my lord. Everything is still
So
exactly
everything
the
is
same.
new except that it's a new trial.
Yes. Everything is still
Sorry
exactly
for the
the same.
tautology.
Yes.
Are you together? So Baloyi says the indictment is the same except for those paragraph 5 and 6 where the elicitation of the time and the names of some of the alleged accused persons were modified. But otherwise he
Ma-
says,
My lord, with due respect,
yeah.
can I ask that we don't take it for granted that the state will be doing everything still the same? If we can be afforded that opportunity
There's Mr.
to
Baloyi.
discuss the state regarding the issues pertaining to pre-trial conference, and then as soon as we are done with that, my lord,
Okay, fine.
we then proceed to trial.
Okay, so the pre-trial conference will start today.
That's the court business.
Is that so, sir?
Indeed,
What's your time now?
Indeed, my lord. The thing should be about 12:15, 13 minutes past 12.
Okay. So the court will postpone this matter to tomorrow at 10 on the assumption that the pre-trial conference shall have been held. Is that okay?
That's fair enough.
And then Mr. Mojutu, I'll make arrangements with the registrar to phone him or her to come here in court. Is that okay?
Is it good, please, my lord? With the court's permission, there's just one aspect that I need to mention. My lord, there has been a live broadcast of the audio recording of the witnesses up until this point, but there was no live broadcast of the visual images. Solely, my lord, to protect the witnesses. So this is for the safety and security of the witnesses. This was confirmed. There was a ruling by Judge Maumela in the previous proceedings, confirmed on the 18th of May 2020, visual coverage of the evidence of the 5th witness who objected to the live broadcast. We have reached an agreement, my lord, with the members of the media as well as the defense that the status quo can continue to obtain In other words,
There's no status quo. We said we're starting afresh.
yes. What I mean is that the
Yeah, I hear you.
audio live broadcast
hear
can
you.
continue, and we just want to put on record that that is the arrangement. There was further an agreement with the press regarding certain issues, my lord, and that has also been clarified with them. Well, audio broadcast of the proceedings can continue
The
As-
directive,
as it has been.
given by my predecessor, we want it to be made retrospectively applicable in this matter.
Yes. Well, except for the directive, the proceedings themselves, because that related only to one witness.
So one witness.
Yeah, only one witness. But we have no problem in the proceedings being continued to be carried live as far as the audio recording is concerned.
Okay, fine. With that caveat, then, the matter is postponed to tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Ngicela sikhulume. Iqala ke liyaxoxiswa ukufika kusasa 10 o'clock. Kanti ke umfundisi useshilo ukuthi khona ingxoxo abafuna ukuthi babe nayo angokuba ke inkantolo ukuthi ichubeke emayelana ke nokuculwa kwecala. Kanti ke ukushilo nalokho ukuthi uyacela ukuthi ke ilokho njani ke icala leli ngoba lizochubeka njena ke lokuxoshwa kanjalo ngendlela elalokuxoshwa ngakhona futhi ke kungavezwa ke izithombe zabantu abaloku beletha ke bethula ubufakazi enkantolo. Isicelo somshushisi leso.
Okay. But this, Mr. Baloyi, there's one aspect which must also be placed on record. Are the accused on bail, or what is the situation?
All the accused are in custody, my lord,
Okay.
at various detention centers. The state will request that they be postponed in custody. Accused number 1 is at Modabi prison. Accused 2 and 3 are at Kosi Mampuru.
Okay.
I know accused number 5 is at Lukop. Must just verify as to accused number 4, I think is also at Lukop. So 4 and 5 are at.
Okay. In the spirit of the new proceedings, you are advised that you have the right to apply for bail. What happened in the past is the past.
Lalela ngeke bafethu. Lalela nizweni kahle. Kulo moya ke bokuthi icala leli liqalela phansi. Inkantolo iyaneluleka ukuthi umuntu ngamunye unelungelo lokuthi angenza isicelo sokuthi akhululwe ngebail. Yonke into eyenzakele phambilini ayikho la enkantolo. Iyazwakala. Sengenza ke isicelo sokuthi ngikhululwe ngebail uma ngabe umuntu unaleso sifiso sokuthi akhululwe ngebail. Iyazwakala. Bafethu ngikhuluma ngebail. Understood, my lord?
Yeah, the only caveat is that if any one of you wants to do that, this court can't entertain a bail application because it ceased with your trial. Arrangements will have to be made for another judge to hear the bail application.
Lalela ke akusho ke ukuthi le nkantolo yona ezolalela isicelo sebail. Leso sicelo mangabe senziwa kwenye inkantolo. Kodwa icala lokuqhubeka lokuqhubeka ngokuphi ngakule inkantolo. Yazwa akusiyona le nkantolo ezolalela leso sicelo sebail. Uma ngabe umfisi ukuthi nenze isicelo sokuthi bail. Yazwa? Understood, my lord?
Okay, then the court shall adjourn.
All right.